Hey guys, my name is Blake. I make videos about DIY projects for beginners, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to unclog a sink drain. Nailed it! If you clicked on this video, it's probably because your bathroom sink is either not draining at all or draining very slowly. What happens over time is that hair, toothpaste, hairspray, hair gel, and other gunk builds up inside your pipes. That hair and gunk gets wrapped around the sink drain in the middle of your sink. This video will show you two simple methods to fix that, and you don't even need a plumber or plumbing experience. The first method is using these inexpensive drain clog removers. I got these on Amazon for a pack of 5 for $8. I'll leave a link down in the description if you're interested. You can also pick these up from your local hardware store for a few bucks as well. Each of them have little teeth on the sides that grab the hair so you can pull it out. All you have to do is insert the snake down into the drain and pull it in and out a few times until all the hair is removed. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly DIY videos. I purposely clogged this drain prior to filming this video, so just be prepared that your sink will be a little more dirty. Once you've used it a few times, you can turn on the water to try and flush down anything else and make sure it's draining better. Be careful pulling up when you're doing this so you don't break any of the drain components. For only a few bucks and about 5 minutes of work, it's worth trying before calling out a plumber. I'll give this one a solid thumbs up. Method number 2 will involve a few more tools, and it's a little more stinky, but should guarantee to fix your drain, assuming the clog is not farther down in your plumbing system. What you're looking at right here is called a P-trap or S-trap. They call it that because it looks like a sideways letter P. If you've ever lost something down the drain, chances are it's stuck just inside the P-trap. This P-trap allows water to flow without allowing any objects to go down into the plumbing system. To get started, you'll need a large bucket, some adjustable pliers, and some paper towels. What you need to do is remove the connectors and disassemble the sink so we can manually clean out the hair and gunk that we talked about earlier. There are 2 slip joint nuts that hold the P-trap in place. We will need to loosen both of them in order to take it off. Make sure you have a bucket underneath when doing this because there will be water coming out. If any debris come out, make sure to remove that as well. Now take some paper towels and the P-trap itself and fish the paper down through the P-trap to try and wipe away any of the buildup. I find that twisting the paper towel up makes it a little easier to fish around the bend in the P-trap. You can also take this to a different sink and wash it with soap and water. Once that's all clean, we need to remove the pop-up drain assembly. This is where the hair likes to build up the most. Under your sink on the back of the drain pipe, you'll see this little nut that holds it in place. We need to remove this first so we can pull the rod out. Make sure you take note on the hole that the rod goes into so we can put everything back the way it was before. My sink has this pipe extension, so I'm going to remove that as well. Now if we go back up to the top of the sink, you should be able to remove the drain itself. We can also see that there is a lot of hair buildup in the pipe that we still need to clean. And we will want to clean the drain also. Next, I'm just going to use the same paper towel trick to clean out the rest of the pipe. If your pipe is long and you can't push the paper towel down all the way, you could also use something like a screwdriver to push it down farther. Once it's down far enough, you can grab onto the paper towel to pull it all the way through. Do this as many times as you need to until your pipe is all the way clean. When I put the drain stopper back, I'll be putting the hole that goes through the rod towards the back, just like the way I removed it. Now we can reinstall the rod back through the same hole it was before and tighten the nut. If you have any resistance doing this part, double check that the drain is facing the right direction. When you tighten this nut, don't over tighten it, we just want it snug like a bug in a rug. Now double check that the pull handle still works. If it doesn't move smoothly, then you tightened it too much or it's not properly put back together. Now I can reinstall my drain extension, which you may or may not need to do, and reinstall the P-trap. When installing these, you want to tighten them pretty much as tight as you can before needing any tools. If you need tools to tighten them, you either need to go to the gym like me, or you're tightening them too much. If you feel confident everything is correct, go ahead and test the water and make sure it drains. Also double and triple check you don't have any leaks. I'll talk to you guys later.